This video is sponsored by Squarespace. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to take you on a photo shoot with me that is quite unique. We shot on Big Island with these big exposed tree roots. I thought it was pretty epic. It's a location that I haven't seen before, so I wanted to just take you with me and show you how we did this. Before we get into this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell button to not miss any of my future uploads. And let's get right into the video. Beautiful. Yeah, I love that. Can we have this leg to the side more than... Yeah. Perfect. What if you sat on this one here and rested your back against this? I don't know if it's gonna... I don't want you to hurt your butt. That's actually... Do you know what? Even you climbing like that was really cool. Can you do that again? Sorry. Yeah, perfect. Good. Yep. And just like the way you were going up there, perfect. Yes, love that. It's a bit more bent, no, the other way around. This one bent, this one down. So what if you're like kind of leaning forward and just looking towards the water there? Beautiful. Yeah. I was like laying back. So maybe sit around here. Because it's kind of sunny. Yeah, exactly. Beautiful. Oh, love that. Oh, yeah. So this was actually a super unplanned photo shoot. We just hung around these beaches and I was actually shooting for some of my NFT collections. So we didn't really have a great selection of bikinis with us. We kind of winged it. Mara had this white shirt that we wore for most of the shots, and then for the second part she wore this mismatched bikini just because we wanted to capture it. She looked so beautiful. The beach was also pretty empty, which was great. And maybe one hand, kind of like this hand. The other hand, actually. Yes, beautiful. Oh, love that. Gorgeous. And you can lean your head back a tiny bit more. Yes, perfect. Beautiful. Oh, I love that. And actually with this one, instead of having it over your face, can you just like play again with the top? Word from my sponsor. Squarespace is an all-in platform that will help you make your dream website, portfolio, or an online shop become a reality. Squarespace has hundreds of beautiful templates, so you will definitely find something that suits you and your personal style. You can build a professional portfolio website in a matter of hours, and you will be able to customize it every step of the way, so it's so you that nobody can deny it's not. As we all know, social media presence is power, and with Squarespace, you'll be able to auto-post all your content to Twitter, Facebook, or Tumblr with proper tags and descriptions. Finally, Squarespace helps you with the marketing. They help you with SEO, as well as some plugins for Instagram stories and so on, as well as share buttons, so your followers can give you some juicy shoutouts on their social media. If that sounds like something you'd like to try, make sure to go to squarespace.com for a free trial. And once you're ready to go, use my code squarespace.com/Anita to receive 10% off your first purchase. For the second look, as I mentioned, we changed into this mismatched bikini and we just shot some more by the trees. Sometimes if I really like the location, I just want to make sure 100% that I got the shot. So I will probably overshoot a little bit. And then later on, we also got into the water, which was super fun. We didn't really film that because it was kind of difficult to do that. And I didn't want Michael Susser's camera to be drowned. But it was definitely super interesting as well. Or you can play with your hair or something. With this hand, yeah. Beautiful. And have this leg a bit more down. Yes, perfect. Oh, gorgeous, love that. Just like this, Love this, that's beautiful. Love, yeah. for this last location, we decided to sit down on the sand against this big tree trunk. I thought it looked super cool, and especially the fact that Mara's skin tone was matching the sand was really nice. We went for my signature pose, is what I feel like. I think it's just so flattering. It elongates your legs. It makes you look super slender. I think it's a really, really great pose to do. Okay guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time.